Today's video is another 5 days 1 palette, and this time I am using the Shaaanxo, the Remix palette from BH Cosmetics. So all the beginning clips of each look are in a time lapse because I just wanted to show you guys like me in my natural habitat doing my makeup, and then I'm just showing you the final look. So for day 1, I used the original side and I used Clarity, Buttercup, and Terracotta in the crease, Beach Babe and Holy Grail on the lid, Silhouette on the lash line, the NYX Wonder Pencil in the waterline, Buttercup and Terracotta on the lower lash line, and for my lips I used the theBalm Meet Matte Hughes in Committed. Then for day 2, I'm using the original side again, and I mainly used Buttercup and a little bit of Terracotta in the crease, Holy Grail on the lid, and the Milani lipstick in 74 Matte Darling on the lips. For day 3, I used the Remix side, and I used Bestie and Need You in the crease, Dream Girl on the lid, Dark Horse on the lash line, the NYX Wonder Pencil in the waterline again, and the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee on the lips. For day 4, I used the Remix side again, and I used Bestie, Need You, and Dark Horse in the crease and on the lower lash line. Then Island Glow all over the lid, the NYX Wonder Pencil in the waterline again, and the Tarte Lip Paint in Birthday Suit on my lips. And for day 5, I used both sides of the palette. So I used Clarity, Buttercup, Terracotta, and Need You in the crease, Dark Horse on the outer V, Buttercup, Terracotta, and Need You on the lower lash line, Toasted on the lid, and No Shade from the Dose of Colors and Desi and Katie collection, and the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline on the lips. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!